name is Jonathan Terry. I'm with United Way Suncoast. I am the manager for corporate and community engagement. What we have here is the game changers, some hand raisers out here for the community. It is Publix. They are high energy, fired up, ready to get back to the community on a daily basis. And we're so happy and so privileged to have them out here today.
This is a good thing. I like to come out and help the community, and especially helping out with the kids. This definitely speaks a lot of volumes about what we want to do and what we try to strive for the community.
My kids and myself are big readers, and I wanted to do something about reading.
I love being involved in my community as a responsible citizen. It's part of our Publix motto, and I also have 2 children, and I get them involved in reading as early as possible, and I'd love to help out other kids.
So all these kindergartners that's going to receive these bags, they're going to get so many great treats, so many learning materials that's going to make them happy, and they'll be able to help them.
Alphabet letters, magnets,
jumbo crayons.
Yeah.
Scrabble bag.
Oh my goodness.
Alphabet flashcards.
It's helping to provide parents with the tools they need to become the best parents they want to be, and really making sure that their kids have every opportunity to succeed no matter where they're born or what their circumstances are.
We truly believe in United Way, and one of our pillars that if they're not learning at a 3rd grade reading level, that they would not be successful. So we're making a huge push out here in the community for all these kids so that they're able to read at that 3rd grade level so that they can be successful and go ahead and graduate over to middle school, to high school, and eventually go to college.
Oh, we all can't be superheroes, but we can be superheroes anonymously.